It's that time of the year again. With the IT department extending the last date to file returns for financial year 2021-22 to 31st December 2021, it's high time to start filing our tax returns instead of waiting for another extension. ITRs being filed daily have increased to 3.2 lakhs in September 2021 and 1.19 crore ITRs for FY 2021-22 have already been filed. The figures of direct tax collections for the financial year 2021-22 as on 22nd September shows that the net collections are at 5,70,000 plus crore compared to 3,27,000 plus crore in the corresponding period of the preceding financial year. That's 2020-2021, representing an increase of 74.4%. The budget sees changes in the tax slab rates every now and then. They are fixed after taking into account the different income levels and the basic standard of living of an average resident. All of you would be familiar with the fact that in the Union Budget of 2020-2021, presented by the Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, the new tax regime was introduced. This is the first time in the history of our country that there is an optional tax regime. For a majority of us, it can be quite a task to understand which slab to choose from, according to our best interests and how to file the ITR. Today, we are going to make this task super easy for you by helping you get a better understanding of both of these tax slabs so that you can decide which tax slab is applicable to you. In this video, we're going to talk about the new tax slab and also which tax slab would suit you best and why. So without wasting any more time talking, let's get into it. There are some points which you need to keep in mind regarding the new tax slab. NRIs are given a basic exemption limit of 2,50,000 rupees regardless of their age. The rebate under Section 87A is available under the new tax scheme as well, which allows nil tax liability to taxpayers if their income is less than or equal to 5 lakhs. The new tax regime does not allow 70 deductions and exemptions. These include standard deduction, professional tax and entertainment allowance and salaries, leave travel allowance, house rent allowance, minor child income allowance, helper allowance, children education allowance, other special allowances under Section 1014, interest on housing loan on the self-occupied property or vacant property under Section 24, Chapter 6A deduction 80C, 80D, 80E, etc. except Section 80CCD2 and 80JJAA. Exemption or deduction for any other prerequisites or allowances, deduction from family pension income. These are the claims which are allowed under the new tax regime. Transport allowances for a specially abled person, conveyance allowance received against expenditure incurred as part of the employment, any compensation received for meeting the cost of travel, tour or transfer, daily allowances received to meet the ordinary regular charges or expenditure you incur on account of absence from his regular place of duty, deduction for employer's contribution to NPS account under Section 80CCD2, deduction for additional employee cost under Section 80JJA. In the new tax regime, the tax slab is not divided into different age brackets. Let's look at the slab rates as per the new tax regime. As we can see that up to 2,50,000, the tax liability is nil. This is one similarity shared between both the regimes where the individuals and HUFs are provided with a basic exemption limit for income on which no tax is levied. But in case of the new regime, it keeps on increasing after that basic exemption limit in the multiples of 5 till it reaches 15 lakhs and 1 rupee. Surcharge. There is also an additional amount which needs to be paid in the form of a surcharge. A surcharge ensures that the rich contribute more to the tax kitty than the poor, as would be pretty much evident to you in this table. This amount is added to the income tax accrued according to the tax slab. Health and education cess. Health and education cess is applied at 4% of the figure arrived at after adding the surcharge. We'll show you later on in the video with an example the basic differences between both the tax regimes. But before that, let's discuss the slab rates under the old tax regime. Slab rates as per the old regime applicable for different income ranges are categorized under different age groups for an individual. Individuals aged below 60 years of age, individuals more than 60 years of age but below 80 years, individuals above 80 years of age. We can clearly see under the old tax regime, taxes payable at higher slab rates on the income up to 15 lakhs as compared to the new regime. Unlike in the new tax regime where there was one single slab for individuals and HUFs, under the old regime the slab for HUFs, body of individuals or BOI, association of persons or AOP, an artificial juridical person is different from that of an individual. Surcharge. Surcharge remains the same under both the regimes. Health and education cess. Same as in the old tax regime, health and education cess of 4% is added to the tax reached after adding the surcharge if applicable. Let's compare both of these tax regimes with the help of this table. You can see in this table that under the new regime, deductions under section 80C and 80D are not allowed. So if you have invested in tax saving instruments, it's better to file your ITR under the old regime. However, the tax slab rates are lower in the new regime. So if you don't have any tax saving instruments, you're better off with the new regime. Both the tax regimes have their pros and their cons. It all boils down to the fact that one of them is better suited to you according to your income. You need to evaluate your savings, income and allowable deductions under both tax regimes individually and then conclude which one will benefit you. To get a perfect idea, we always recommend consulting your chartered accountant who can perform an evaluation for you and suggest which slab will be better for you. This was it from us for this video. For any questions regarding this video, feel free to ask them in the comment section, or you can mail us or WhatsApp us on the details mentioned in the box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, happy winting!